Hello, everybody, and today,
Arby's
$17 and something cents worth of Arby's.
Didn't you say you were going to do that one intro?
What's that?
Remember?
Oh, I was going to go, hello, my young Padawan. Help you I will. Jedi warrior you not be?
Okay, then.
Was that just weird?
Yes, it was.
I apologize, baby.
If it didn't come out good on the video,
tell everybody what we got.
It actually came out really good. I got a 3-piece chicken tender, mozzarella sticks, curly fries, and I don't remember what you got. I just know you have curly fries and some burger thing.
The Big Macs, like the biggest regular.
Yeah. Wait, do we need a plate for fries? Or do we just get our own separate fries? Because usually we just use the same plate.
It don't matter. You can dump them all on one plate.
Yeah. Oh, we're dumping all of them on my plate?
Yeah, I got to get this bag out of the way. I don't know if any viewer can see what we're doing.
Why wouldn't they?
Because the bag's in the way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
So.
I'm just going to put these up here.
They gave us marinara. I told him honey mustard, which I'll use. He won't use. I'll use that some other time. I got Arby sauce. She gave us handfuls of it. Horsey sauce. All right. So, and yeah, the mozzarella sticks.
For the marinara.
That's all right. I haven't had breakfast or lunch today. That's why my eyes were big, and I said, I want the monster. Give me the monster. Look at that.
Is that just like roast beef in a bread?
That's all it is. Then I'm going to put this slightly hot, like a hot mayonnaise kind of stuff on. It's not even that hot. It's not like real horseradish. That's right. I like a little bit. I'm not going to be crazy with it, but I do want
well, I'm going to go ahead and get eating.
Regular Arby sauce. And now this is going to be just dripping all out the edges and everything. You just tear it up.
I will.
Alright.
Because Arby's is in my top 3 most favorite fast food places.
Oh, you already ate a mozzarella stick? Well, all right. Ketchup. We need to ketchup on mine. Ah!
It farted at you.
It spit. And it was like...
Are you using that? Ketchup?
You can use that.
Oh, I thought that was for you to use on that.
Nope.
I forgot to use the marinara sauce that time.
Oh yeah, this is just going to get all over me, but I'm washing where. I can wash my hands afterwards.
So good.
Looks like we got the bottom of the bag on the fries. Not many nice ones like that.
The curly fries should look like this. That one has a fry inside a curly fry.
A lot of times what you get is a bag full, thing full of that, carton full of that.
One time, I got a rare, straight curly fry.
Branson's hair looks jacked up. It's not because it's oily, it's because we got out of the pool and then ran up to the drive-thru.
And here we are.
I was in the pool thinking, who's cooking for us tonight? It ain't me. Num num.
Num num.
I made the num num sound. Yum.
Hey, that's my thing.
What is a Padawan?
I'm not that sure. There's still 2 Star Wars movies. I haven't seen it.
No, just one.
Oh, one? Oh.
Darth Vader more like a teenager to young 20-something-year-old.
Oh, yeah.
How he becomes Darth Vader, that's the only one you haven't seen. Probably the most boring one, political one of all of them.
And I know any Star Wars fan is about to shoot a lot of comments at us.
Nah. Star Wars fans don't know how good a mukbang can be. They're too busy going,
What? Popcorn. I like this. There's something wet on my pants.
Where is my pocket protector? My bread's breaking all up.
Huh. That really looks like the most terrible sandwich ever.
Very good.
Imagine someone served you that on a plate, but it looked like that whenever they served you instead of perfect looking. It looked like that. I'd be like,
yeah. Leave some room for your chicken.
oh yeah. I almost put the ketchup on my chicken onto you, and then you almost got your hand on the ketchup. You're getting really close to it.
The sauce is with me.
Oh, weren't you gonna say, hello, my young Padawans?
I
Arby's
did.
is with you.
Oh, Arby's is with us today. You can't find something you like in Arby's. Something's wrong with you. I could see a vegetarian not really liking Arby's. I don't even think they do a salad, right?
They do, but it has chicken in it. One of us is being called on someone's phone.
That's your phone.
Am I not to check it?
It'll be alright. Probably Dylan.
I just dipped this and that. I dipped my chicken in my marinara. And it tasted really good.
Chicken marinara.
The newest restaurant craze. So what's
Now my phone's going off. Someone wants to get up with us, but they're going to have to wait.
I would think my friend would be calling me because he don't have your phone number.
Probably my dad.
Who knows?
Or, yeah. Don't matter.
We'll call them back. If there's someone important. If there's someone who knows both our phone numbers, I'm starting to suspect things.
Doesn't matter. Uh-oh. I lost something. We need a dog. Dog be down there. From. This is almost too much sandwich.
I have too much food. I have a lot. I was actually going to tell my dad, just get me a large fry and some marinara sticks. I don't want chicken. I'm not hungry enough. But here we are. And I have chicken.
You can always snack on it later.
Actually, yeah, I'll save those 2 pieces.
I'm not saving anything. I'm going to just eat until I can't eat anymore.
I'm sad. I'm out.
Now, how can you eat 4 mozzarella sticks and have any marinara sauce left?
I know. It's so sad.
You know, by the last
I'm
one,
a disgrace.
By the last mozzarella stick, I'd be getting that last of the sauce out.
I was actually thinking whenever I had it in my mouth, I was like, I want to spit it out and get more on it, but that'd be really gross.
I think I'm done. Me and my sticky hands has had enough. That was good. I might could eat a few fries, but I don't think I want any more of that. Should have got the middle one. The middle one usually does you right. You got to be Andre the Giant to eat that big one. Andre the Giant, I am not. My brain at the time thought I was.
I couldn't tell what that white thing on there was, and then I realized, oh, that's bread. It's all deformed. I'm about done.
Branson's first day of school was today.
Mm-hmm. Not kindergarten, but first day of my new grade. 5th grade.
This is being recorded on Wednesday the 13th. This will probably not go up until more like 17th, 18th, 19th of the month. Unless I rearrange the schedule. But it was his first day of school. He's in year-round school, that's why. So he gets a short break, but he gets more of them.
I get the same amount of breaks, but I get them more often than having to only get like 2 or 3 breaks. I get 7 breaks.
Did you not hear me just almost vomit in your ear?
I heard.
Yeah. So, still hungry. Yeah, there's the baby fries. Baby fry. Baby fry. Well, all right. We're going to end this today. Branson can keep on eating.
Trying to get my arm around.
Arby's Big Macs. I don't know what you call it. The biggest regular Arby's sandwich. It was delicious. Along with some mozzarella sticks and some chicken tenders. Go get you some today. It'll cost you about $17 and something. But it was good. So, until next time, everybody.
Goodbye, my young Padawan.
Goodbye, my young Padawans. Bye.